Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam MARLIA and hi everyone. So today I would like to present about our community local website, which is we are from group of Eco Voyage Travel and Tours Agency. So regarding to this website, the first one is about the logo of our agency, which is the name and the style of the logo is Eco Voyage Travel and Tours, and we put the header, which is the background of the oceans in Sabah, and then we have the navigation bar, which is the content about home, about history, community, accommodations, attractions, and more. And then through to the body section, we put the content of welcome to local community website of Kampung atas air Sandakan Sabah. At the footer, we have the copyright section and the recommendation of the browser, also the resolution and last updated by the month and date of year. Then the web host that we are using is 000 web host to publish our community website.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm NURUL NATASHA RAZALI. I will present about our community website, which is the page of the about and about.html. First, I will create the doc.html and I create the head. In the head, I will put the title, which is Eco Voyage Travel and Tours, and link it to style.css, and then I close the head, and then I open the header. In the header, I will give the div class for the logo, and I put our agency logo, and put the title for the web page, which is about, and the motto, which is the Seasiders Community Thriving, and I close the div and the header, and then I start the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, I give the header and nav and link to another web pages, and I give it the class, which is navbar, and then I close the link, nav and header and navigation bar. For our websites, I put the background is video background, and then in the body in the body I put the sections. In the sections, I put the subtitle, which is about us. In the about us, I give the class, div class for each member, and I put our image and and our name and each roles, and then I close the div and another content. I put the web page, and I put another subtitles, which is map and locations. For the map, I put the image and link it to the Google Maps, so the user can see the total area and the total distance. And I close the table and the sections, and then I put the footer. In the footer, I put the copyright for our sites, recommended browser, resolution, and last updates, and I close the footer, body, and HTML, and it will become like this. The user can see the about web page, our introduce about our member, and another is maps and locations. The user can click this map to go to Google Maps. Another web page that I will present is accommodations. In the accommodations, I put the top types, same as about.html, and I put the head. I put the title and the link to style.css, and then I open the header. In the header, I put the image for our logo and give it class. And then I put the title for the web page, which is accommodations and the motto. And then I close the div and the header. And then I start the navigation bar. The navigation bar, I put the header and navigation and link to another web pages, which is, and give a class which is navbar. And then I close the link, nav and header, and close the navigation bar. And then I put the background video, and then starts the section. In the section, I put the content about the accommodation subtitles, and I create the table, and the table I give it a class, and I put the tr, and in the tr I put the th for the contents, 3 contents, and then which are hotel 5-star, resorts hotel 2 or 3 stars, and for the for the content below, I put the image and name of the place, and I link it to another websites, so the user can easily book if they want to stay at the place, same like others. And then I close the tr and the table and the sections, and then I open the footer. In the footer, I put the copyright, the comment browser, a resolution and last updates, and I close the footer, body and HTML, and it will become like this. And it will come like this, and title, you see the titles and the subtitles, the place, image. The user also can click this to another websites, the booking websites. Okay. They can see the image for the place they want to stay, same like others.
As after users start clicking the history page, they will serve by the history of Kampung Atas Air. As users can see, at the top of the web page there are a logo of Eco Voyage Travel and Tours, and below is the history about Kampung Atas Air. As they scroll down, they can read the history about Kampung Atas Air, which are about when it exists, who invented Kampung Atas Air, and everything about Kampung Atas Air. We use ocean video as a background to give more interesting for viewers to read the history.
Another web page that I will present is attractions. In the attraction, I will create the .html and put the head, open the head, and I put the title and link it to style.css, and then I close the head, and I will open the header. In the header, I put the image for our logo websites and give it class, and I put the title for the web page, which is attractions and the motto, and I close the div and the header, and then I will start the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, I will put the header, nav, and link to another web pages, and give it class, which is navbar. And then I close the link, nav and header, and close the navigation bar. And for the background websites, I put the video and it starts the sections. In the sections, I put the contents about the activities and give it, I create the table and I give it class. In the table, I put the image for the activities that they can do, and they can also click the link, this link, and also they can know the name of the place, and this link can link to another websites that can go through and know about the place, same like others. And then I close the table. For another content, below I put the web page, and then I give it the subtitles, which is food, and I create the table and give it class, which is FD. And also in the table I put the image, same like the top one, and they can see various foods they can explore in the area, the Kampung Atas Air area. And I put also they can know the place of the foods. Okay, and then I close the table and the sections, and then I open the footer. I give it the copyright, a comment, browser, resolution, and last update, and I close the footer, body, and HTML, and it will become like this. This is the web page for the attractions. These are 6 activities they can do. Also, they can click this name, so they can see the more about the place that they want to do the activities, same like others. And this they can know about the foods that have at the place. Okay, that's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is HAIKAL. Today I'll be presenting about my task, which is community web page. So the first page, you can see the our logo, IKHWAN Voyage Travel and Tours. If you hover it, it goes slightly bigger. Same goes to this image, Sandakan District Police Headquarters and Sabah Balai Bomba. And this learn more button, you can click on it and it will send us to another link, another web page. Same goes to Balai Bomba and Kampung Atas Air. And also they want facility at Kampung Atas Air, can click the view button, and this is a link PDF. Goes to another web page, people, same as the previous page. If you go hover over the image, it goes slightly bigger. And this learn more button is function. Next page is ethnicity. So I built this pie chart using JavaScript. This is the ethnicity at Kampung Atas Air, Bajau Laut Bugis Sungai Kadazan Dusun, and Chinese. And last page is culture and heritage. So this is the image, it goes slightly bigger. And this function also goes to another web page.
Then after that, next we go through to the more. At more, we have the content of the entertainments. Entertainments, we put the song of Sabahan song, and the first one is the original Sabahan, and the second one is Sumandak Sabah. So this website is basically for the viewers or the users can enjoy regarding to this website. After that, we have the subscribe web page, and this web page, the users of the viewers can upload their name and email address, so we can update it to their about our newsletter or the updated of information regarding the vacation in Kampung Atas Air Sandakan Sabah. Then we have the contact us web page, which is the users can contact us in WhatsApp or using the email. And the last one, we have the review web page, which is the users can make a choose of regarding our website. Is it the very bad until the excellent of rating users. So basically, this is more to the users updated about what is the beneficial important in local community website in Kampung Atas Air Sandakan Sabah. So everyone can use and get the information regarding this website. Thank you for your attention. See you again.